Hello traders around the world, I'm really happy to have you here. If you are watching this video, I want to wish you a happy new month. This is the 2nd of April, and I pray this would be an exciting month for you and an exciting month for your trading strategy as well. And we are happy to announce that we are currently releasing the Neural Rampage System for MT5. This is actually one of the first bots we are releasing that is fully based on machine intelligence. And actually, if you have seen the previous video where we use ChatGPT to build a trading strategy, this is the exact trading strategy that we implied on the system. This system trades gold on the 1 hour time frame, and we are supposed to have uploaded this to trading kernel and also trading kernel stack as well, but for some reason I have been under the weather, so I've been unable to do that. So subsequently in the future I would do that, and I would share the link to you guys here to download the system. Basically what we plan to do is to put up the model for $25, but if you've purchased trading systems like the Akani Trading System and some other systems that I'll highlight, you don't need to purchase this model file. It will be available for you for free. Okay, so we're just doing that in order for people who have purchased trading systems in the past to be able to benefit from future trading systems, and also to raise funds to build other trading systems as well. So like I said, this hasn't been uploaded yet to trading kernel, but I'm going to be providing the installation video here right now so that you guys can see how to install it. So once we release it, you'll be getting the trading system. We tested this out for half a week after we released the system. That was from last week Tuesday till Saturday, and we saw that the backtest or the statistical data was exactly the same as our current trades here, but I was unable to show you guys that as well because I swapped to new MFF accounts. So we just purchased a new MFF account here. As you can see here, this is a new MFF account. It's a $10,000 account, and we are going to be running this Neural Rampage System on the MFF account. We're going to be running this for a month, and we are also going to be streaming the results live so that you guys can actually see the performance of this system. As you can see, we've also added a couple of indicators here. We've added 2 moving averages, and we've also added an RSI. These are the indicators that the trading strategy uses. So basically, if you watch the ChatGPT video, you're going to understand very well how this trading strategy works. And we're also going to put this here maybe in order to explain the trades that it will take in the future. Okay, so let me just go over to show you guys how to install this. In my download section here, as you can see, I've downloaded the Neural Rampage bots. I'm just going to right click and I'm going to click extract all to extract this file. And for the VPS I'm using Interserver VPS, and for this VPS I'm paying roughly around $20 to $25 a month. And it's kind of a bit slow, but it's able to handle everything here. All right, so we've currently extracted our file here, and you can see we have 2 folders here. The first folder we have is the Neural Rampage model. Okay, this is the model file, and it contains the .pkl file. This is the binary file that consists of what it will use to predict the future data. And for the Neural Rampage system here, we have our current full robot here. All right, so if you run this at first, it's going to open up and it's going to tell you a particular directory where it cannot find the model file. So all you just need to do is to copy the model file here and go to that directory and then paste that model file. In this case, let me just go to my PC here, go to my local disk drive, go to my users, go to my administrator here, go to app data, go to local, and go to temporary, and go to 2. Right, so you can see I currently have that file pasted here. Right, this is my Neural Rampage XAUUSD.pkl file. So it might paste this, it might look for this in this directory, it might look for it in another directory. So just have a look at the directory and paste the model file there. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to the Neural Rampage here. I'm going to click on the Neural Rampage. You can see we have the model file and we also have the system. So I'm just going to click on the system here. Let's open that up. just gonna cancel this out here to make this way better. I'm going to copy this file here. I'm gonna copy this file here, go to our trading applications. I'm just gonna delete this one, then I'm gonna paste this one here. Okay, so now we have the system here. Just gonna load this here, so we can easily access the trading system whenever we want to. So it's gonna take a couple of seconds to create the files. We have a pop-up here, and we're just gonna click on run anyway. Okay, so we currently have our command prompt. This will help us. This is where you're gonna see the directory of the missing file, so you can just copy that. But since we've pasted our neural model file into our directory, I don't think we're gonna have any sort of issues with this system. Okay, so I believe everything is gonna run fine, but it's gonna take a while. Just gonna cancel out these folders here. Alright, so we have our Neural Rampage bots system version 1.0 up, and if you go over here to the file here, you can see there's no prompt here. Okay, so everything seems to run fine. The symbol that we'll be trading for this pair is the gold, and for the lot size, we're going to increase this lot size. But first, let me show you guys something. This is the historical performance of our Neural Rampage system from 2023, the 1st of January up till the 1st of 4th, and you can see the performance here. Now this entire performance here resulted in 50% returns, and the current lot size for that test was about 0.25. And since we are using an MFF evaluation account, we are going to reduce that lot size to about 0.20. all right, because this move here was roughly about 5%, right? So we want to try to avoid that. Although we'll be using a stop out system here, we want to try to reduce that so we don't get to hit our stop out system here. For the virtual stop loss, I think there was a kind of mistake here with this virtual stop loss system. It's supposed to be, you know, the stop loss system, so maybe we are going to fix that on the update. So if you want this robot to have a stop loss or a take profit system, you can change this to enabled. All right, otherwise we're going to set it as disabled. In this case, we are going to set it as disabled because we don't want to have a take profit level and a stop loss level. So we're going to have a target of about 8% for this account here. You can see we currently have 8% here. So this and our stop out system, we're going to have it at 5% because that's the maximum amount we want to have in a day. We're just going to reduce this to 4%. Okay, our time frame would be the 1 hour, and then we're going to click on update inputs. Guys, don't forget to click on update inputs, and you can see here we have our profit target to be 10,800. Currently have our lot size to be 0.2. we have our stop outs to be 9,600, and we have our symbol to be gold. So we're just going to click on start trading, and you can see that now says start trading. So we're just going to minimize this here, and that is currently trading on this account here. So you don't need to do anything to your MetaTrader 5. Just make sure you have this algo trading button enabled here, and that's everything you need to do. So basically the app is going to take in data from your MT5, perform an analysis, and then place trades on the open of every candle here. All right, so that's everything you need to know about the Neural Rampage system. Like I said, for historical data, it did a total return of about 50% for a lot size of about 0.25. So if you have a live account you're going to be trading this on, I prefer you reduce that lot size to probably 1/4 of that. Okay, so you can trade with a lot size of 0.1 or maybe even 0.05. So if you have any questions, guys, feel free to reach out to us at Trading Kingdom support team. I believe this is one of the simplest bots you can ever come across to install. The installation process is simple, and it does a lot for you. It does every other thing for you. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.